Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann, and today me and Ruger are going to unbox, try on, and review my newest Stitch Fix with you. Let's get into this. I am excited to get into my Stitch Fix with you today. Alrighty, we're going to get into the box. Stitch Fix, of course, is a styling service. If you use my link below, you will save $25 off your very first fix. I will also get a credit. I want to thank you in advance if you do that. Those credits have helped me out a whole lot, especially this year with the kind of year that we've had. You can look back at my update video if you want to know what's been going on with me and you're new. You have 3 days to try on and decide. Anything you'd like to keep, anything you don't love and don't want to keep does get sent back in a prepaid envelope. The styling fee is $20. That gets credited back towards anything you keep. They send you a preview. They teased me this time. They told me you can keep up to 8 items. I was like, yay, I've finally been offered 8 items. I've heard of that. It's never happened before. I only liked 4 of the items, and then it said my stylist would fill in to give me 5 items. So I guess if you don't keep 8 items out of the preview, you're only going to get 5 items. I wanted more items to show you guys. Plus, I think if they send me more items, I have a higher chance of purchasing more items from them, but we have 5 per usual, so that was teasing. Not very nice Stitch Fix, okay. I was so excited for a minute. Let's see what we got. My bundle busted open. There's my prepaid envelope. My bundle, let me see if I can hold it together a little bit so I can show it to you guys. I'll put on the time of the try on right here. I often forget to do that, but I'll do it this time in case you just want to bounce ahead. Here is my pieces. So this is different. They're doing things differently. So it used to be the stylist note came separate from the invoice, and the stylist note also had outfit suggestions. Now it's all together. A lot of times I try and not see the items until the end for you guys, so I'm gonna fold that down there so I can't see the prices. That can sometimes influence my decision. I'm needing jeans this fall. I have what I thought was a lot, but the truth is I started weeding out ones I'm not so thrilled with, and now I feel like I could use more to choose from. I keep going back to the same 2 pair of jeans, so I'd like to find some other pieces that I really, really love. So let's take a look at what we have here. First up, this I chose from my preview. This is by Threads for Thought. It's a little striped top. I think I thought it would work well with something in the box. This looks small to me. What size are you? It says a large. I guess it's supposed to fit kind of tight. We'll see how that works. Like the green stripes, dropped my glasses in the box. This is, I'm excited for this one. This is a burgundy corduroy jacket. This is by Prosperity, also a size large, looking a little small. Hopefully it'll fit when I get it on. The buttons are covered up with paper, but there's what it looks like with the buttons. Nice long sleeves. Feels like it's pretty well made. My favorite color, burgundy. Excited to try that one on. Then, oh, this is a dress. I didn't ask for a dress, but truthfully, I'm kind of excited to try this one. It's this real pretty red floral print. Red this season is supposed to be in all of its shades, burgundy, pink, true red, orange red, all the reds. But what I liked about it is that there is no ruffle at the hip. So often with these dresses that have the ruffle, there's a ruffle right here at the widest part of my hip, and it makes me look wider. I love that all of the width is at the bottom, because I think that will help balance my figure. I love wearing dresses, so that's a good choice for me. We have a pair of jeans. They are by Democracy. Democracy is a hit and miss with the size on me. Sometimes they're too big through the waist. Sometimes they fit just right. Looks like a nice wide leg. Love wide legs. Can't wait to try those on. And then lastly, the piece that she filled in with, and this is a pair of Liverpool, Los Angeles jeans, also a nice wide leg. Ooh, and it's got, wait a minute, are these, okay. I thought maybe these were the same ones I got in my Wantable, but they're not. But it does have that pin tucking down the front of each leg. That's really cool. And in the back, it is slit pockets. So these are almost like a dress trouser jean. Alrighty, I'm excited to get into these. Are you? See you in just a second for the try on. Let's talk about this beautiful dress. I love this. I love everything about it. I love to wear dresses. I wear them for more than just dressy occasions, so this would get a lot of use. I think it's supposed to be a maxi dress on most people. I'm pretty tall, so for me it's hitting ankle length. I love that I can wear these boots with it because I have a hard time wearing ankle boots with dresses, but I think with this one it looks absolutely perfect. The ruffles at the bottom are doing exactly what I was hoping they would do, and they're kind of widening things down there a little bit, making me look a little bit more balanced. I'm crazy about the smocked top. Isn't that cute? Nice long sleeves. This is just, it's a nice color now for going into fall, and this will carry me all the way through winter and even to the beginning of spring living here in Indiana. So I think for me, this is really just a great choice. I'm anxious to see the price. I'm really tempted to peek, but I'll wait until the end. Okay, let's get on to another outfit. Let's start this adorable outfit out with this really great jacket. It's got a poppable collar and it's in my favorite color. Absolutely love that. It's got a nice thin wale corduroy, if you can see that. I love everything about this jacket. I have quite an extensive jacket wardrobe, so if I'm going to add something to it, it needs to be kind of unique and special, and I don't have any jackets in this color. So I'm thinking this one could stay depending on the price. This brand is Prosperity. Now underneath it is a striped top in a color I really like. This green I think is flattering. It's a little bit different than a lot of things that I have in my wardrobe because it has some off-white in it, and that's a color I tend to shy away from. It can suck color out of my complexion. I'm very cool toned, but I think this green saves it. I like that about it. The quality doesn't feel that great, but two things are driving me crazy, and they both have to do with length. The length of the sleeve, because this is a tighter 3/4 knit sleeve, I think I would want it either all the way down or above my elbow. Something about this makes me want to just keep pulling it down. Also, the length of the top, I fear if I sit down, it's going to show the back of my waistband. I don't like that. But it's too short to tuck in because if I sit down, it's going to pop out of my waistband. So for me, this is just kind of an awkward length. Maybe if I were a little bit shorter or a little bit taller, it would hit me in the right place. I will say the stripes are matching up perfectly underneath the arms, so that's a win for the top. It might be the quality is fine, it's just that it's thin fabric. It's just not my thing. I do like the scoop neckline. That's a good neckline on me. So this is cute. I did choose it from my preview. So this one's on me. Now the pants are by Democracy, and they have that, they call it Fab Ab technology or something like that here in the waist where it's kind of stretchy, which is really nice because it helps it lay nicely against the small of my back. If you have bigger hips, I would recommend Democracy pants to you because it does do this and it doesn't make it stand out so much in the back. But I feel like I could go down a size in these because they feel like they're going to stretch a little bit as time goes on. My worry with that is I'm loving the way that these legs are fitting. The thighs aren't real tight on me, and I fear that if I go down a size, this is going to be snugger down here than I want it. But I do like the jeans, and the quality of Democracy for the price is pretty good. Loving the length, and they have a little bit of a wider hem down there, if you can tell, so I kind of like that too. Length is perfect on me. So lots of things to like about this. We'll talk about whether I'll keep it or not when we look at the prices at the end. Okay, I'm going to be back with one more pair of jeans. With this pair of jeans, this shirt makes a lot more sense. They're higher waisted, so I wouldn't fear sitting down and my shirt popping out, being tucked in. I just wouldn't wear this shirt out. I think it looks better like this, but this would work now. Sleeves still drive me crazy, but I like it with these jeans. Can you do me a real quick favor before we go any further and just squish that like button for me? It helps the channel so much, and thank you very much. All right, now let's talk about the jeans. These are by Liverpool. The last one was Democracy. This is Liverpool. I keep getting those two confused. I love the pin tucking. I love the dark color. I think both of those things really help make them a little more slenderizing on me, especially with the heavy hips and thighs. And I love the length. They're nice and long, great with a little pair of heels. They're trouser style. I like the fit in the back. They're touching my thighs, but they are not clinging to my thighs, and I like that. But I love the trouser style. I could wear these to a myriad of different places, including church, which is nice when the mornings get really chilly. Just slip on a really nice top and these jeans, and then a cute little pair of boots or heels, and I'm good to go. Okay, I'm gonna pull it in close, and we will take a look at prices and talk about what I might keep. Well, I'd say Crystal did a good job styling this, but the truth is she just filled in one pair of jeans. I can't remember if I chose these or these with my preview. I think it was these with the pin tucks. So let's go ahead, talk prices, see how much everything is. Drum roll. So first of all, we have the Market and Spruce Ruby Smocked Dress in red, size large, $78. Hey, that's pretty good. I love this dress. I'm very tempted to keep it. I'm being really careful with the finances right now, but this is beautiful, and I think I'd get a whole lot of wear out of that one. Then we have the Democracy Absolution High Rise Wide Leg. Was that these? I get the two of them mixed up. Yes. High Rise Wide Leg something that dropped off there. They are in indigo and size 12, and the price is $88. Pretty standard for Democracy. Decent pair of jeans. Would want to size down in those if I decided to keep them. Then the Threads for Thought Nikita Yukon Stripe feature something. That's the top I'm wearing in dark green. This is a size large. It's $59. A cute top. Love that the stripes match up. Works well on me with high-waisted things, but these sleeves are driving me nuts, so it's going back, but still a cute little top. Liverpool straight leg pin tuck trouser. That's these. I love these. The pin tucks down the front especially. It's a feature I just adore. In indigo, size 12, $98. I think for Liverpool, that's pretty standard. Might be a little bit higher because of the detail. I'll have to think about these. I really, really like them. And then last is the Prosperity Jolene Stretch Corduroy Jacket in red, size large. $69. Wow, that's only $69. That's a great price. And you know what? It's not lined, but it still feels like it's a really quality jacket. So, yeah, I could be semi in trouble with this one because, well, the three items, I mean, I have a dress, a pair of jeans, and this that I all really love. So with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 pieces, you save 25%. I don't think that's going to be enough to make keeping the other pair of jeans and this top worth it. I think I'd still pay more for those, but sometimes it works out better to keep all 5 pieces than 3 or 4, depending on which pieces you want to keep in their price, if that makes sense, because of that discount. So the Stylist Pick subtotal is $392. The buy all discounted 25% would be $98 off. That's really nice. The order subtotal would be $294. Now, if you paid a styling fee because you don't have the Style Pass like I do, and that's going away apparently for everybody, so don't worry about it. You'd get your styling fee back on that. So your price out the door would be, was that $278? Two would be $274, however you would have paid 20 of it up front. Well, that's it. That is my newest Stitch Fix. Please let me know what you think. Please let me know what you think I should keep as well. I absolutely love interacting with you guys down in the comments. So if you leave me a comment, that would really make my day. Again, if you just squish that like button real quick, helps the video tons. And if you like all sorts of different types of unboxings, please do subscribe. I would be most honored. Ruger and I will talk to you guys later on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. Because my styling pass renews in January, and I don't know, I just called it the wrong thing. It's not a styling pass, it's a style pass. Take 2. I really kind of want to get him more in the picture there. Move things. Now I'm banging into this. All right. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. And my light. Need blasting me out. Oh, when you do that, it moves the camera. Huh. Right. I need Ruger in the middle. Okay, that's pretty good. Now I need it to be higher. This is what I go through every time. Nope, that's too low, can't see the box. Haha, I think I got it. Okay, let's go. I think I'm gonna be doing Stitch Fix a lot lately. Did it again. This is my third take. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully buttoning this up doesn't mess with my microphone. Okie dokie. Let's go.